In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wayfair's visual search to find similar furniture and home decor. If you've ever seen a chair, lamp, table, or decor piece you liked and wanted to find something similar online, Wayfair's visual search feature can make that process much easier. Instead of typing out a description and hoping the results match what you have in mind, you can simply use a photo and let the app or website do the work for you. To get started, open the Wayfair app on your phone or go to the Wayfair website in your browser. Once you're on the home screen or home page, look at the search bar near the top. You should see a small camera icon inside or next to that search field. Go ahead and click or tap that camera icon to begin a visual search. Next, you'll be given the option to upload a photo from your device or take a new one right away. If you already have a picture saved, choose the upload option and select the image you want to use. If the item is in front of you, you can take a new photo on the spot. For the best results, try to use a clear image with good lighting and make sure the item you want to match is easy to see. A cleaner, more focused photo usually helps Wayfair identify the style, shape, and category more accurately. After you submit the image, Wayfair will scan it and show you similar items from its catalog. This is where the feature becomes especially useful, because you'll often see products that match the look, color,